A plane passes within eyesight of another aircraft above Atlantic City, New Jersey. It shows up on the cockpit radar, but it also appears on an onboard GPS device. The FAA wants to put these in the cockpits of all planes.
It really is a revolution in air transportation.
75 years ago this week, the federal government started tracking air traffic, and they say this is the future.
The decisions we're making in the next couple of years really will set the foundation for the next 75 years.
The GPS device in your car is not reliable enough for air travel, but government engineers say this new souped-up version for planes is better than ground radar.
We actually have a GPS that's accurate down to within like 2 or 3 feet of where the actual airplane is.
Ground radar has been the primary method of air navigation since World War II.
We make airplanes fly very precise routes from one ground-based navigational aid to the other in a zigzag pattern across the United States, and we want to make that a smooth line.
The new GPS systems are being touted as the solution to a host of problems caused by the rapid growth of air travel.
Will allow aircraft to fly more precise approach and landing patterns, meaning that runways can be safely positioned in close proximity to expand capacity, but not airport boundaries.
Through the year 2025, it will cost as much as $22 billion from the government and an additional $20 billion from the airline industry. The FAA says the new GPS systems will reduce airline delays by up to 35%.
We'll be able to avoid inclement weather thanks to a common picture. One authoritative source for up-to-the-minute weather information available to everyone in the system.
The GPS plane program is funded now, but some worry it may fall victim to new austerity measures in Congress, or that private carriers will resist the out-of-pocket costs. In April, the CEO of Delta Airlines said, quote, "We want to leverage the technology we have today before we add more technology and more cost." The deputy administrator of the FAA says he hopes they can reach a common ground.
Aviation is a very significant contributor to the economy as a whole.
Carriers such as Southwest and Alaska Airlines have already started using the GPS technology. Ted Shaffrey, Associated Press, Atlantic City, New Jersey.